Hello, Facebook Live. Hello, everybody out there. Happy Thursday to you. It is Thursday night. It is a nice sunny day out there. Hope everybody's staying safe, getting some fresh air. This morning seemed a little bit warmer than this afternoon. It kind of got a little chillier as the day went on. But yesterday was a nice day. Hopefully you got outside, you got to walk in, you got to run, you worked out, you got some sun. Get that vitamin D when you can. Thanks everybody for watching me. If you're watching me live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. Lots of cool stuff going on here at Aroma Time. The next couple of weeks are going to be busy. Our Super Bowl contest is going to be coming out tomorrow. So Marcus and I decided that we are going to do a contest and give away a Super Bowl party box. We are going to give away a Super Bowl party box if you repost and comment on our Facebook post. So that will come out tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. It's a $205 value. And you get it for $169. It has pulled pork, pretzels, pizzas, salsa, chips. It has beer. We could probably trade out the beer for wine if you wanted. What else is in there, Marcus? What am I leaving out? Hummus and pita, cheese and crackers and sopressata. Somebody's saying hi, Patrick. So hi, Albie from Patrick, and hi, Albie. Hello, Matthew. Thanks, everybody, for watching me. So stay tuned tomorrow. Look at our Facebook posts. Look at our email. And all of the details are in there for our Super Bowl contest. That will be coming out tomorrow. Tonight is our $9.99 to go tiki masala chicken with rice and broccoli. And also our burger night is tonight, so $9.99 burgers to go. So 647-3000, 845-647-3000, and it's under Aroma Time.
Oh, it's under.
Yep, it's Aroma Time. So somebody is sitting at the bar and wondering why they can't see me live. You are watching me under Aroma Time. Aroma Time farm to table, right, Marcus?
Yep.
So. Let's see, what else? Open all weekend. We actually had some requests for somebody to sit outside tonight. Our back garden is open. The tent is open. We are not doing full service out there. So if you'd like to sit out there, I definitely recommend bundling up. The chairs are cold. Bring a blanket. We'll turn the heaters on for you. But we ask that you call or come in to place your order. We'll bring your food out to you. We are, our staff is small right now, and it's hard for us to do outside and inside and take care of our guests properly and give everybody great service. So hope you understand that. As it gets warmer, as we get into March and April, we'll reopen our outside again, fire pit, and you can come sit outside, and I'll have more staff, and we'll be able to seat people outside more. We have our tables open inside, takeout available, our regular menu, and I definitely recommend making reservations. So today I am making an almost Collins. I found this recipe, and I've kind of tweaked it a little bit to fit what I'd like. Actually, my hands are a little red from juicing blood oranges. So I actually took blood oranges and I actually juiced them for this drink. So this breaks a couple of the rules. So if you've ever had a Collins, I am changing the lemon for blood orange, and instead of simple syrup or agave, I am using cinnamon simple syrup and agave. So it's almost like a Collins. So I'm using vodka, blood orange juice. I've made cinnamon, agave, and soda. I might put a splash of lemon lime in there, or just a splash of soda. So here I go. I'm going to start and put everything in here because I have blood oranges are muddled, and I actually juiced other blood oranges. You could use blood orange juice for this. So start with 2 ounces of organic vodka. And I am going to shake this up in this shaker, and I'm going to pour it out. Just getting it cold, mixing it with some blood oranges that were in here already. Hopefully it'll release some of the juices, and then I'll add some more of my blood orange juice. Add some ice to my glass. And I'm actually going to add my cinnamon agave into my warm mixture because agave is very hard to melt if you put it into something cold. So I'm going to take a little bit of agave, cinnamon agave. I'm going to mix that in there. Hopefully we get the cinnamon flavor. I actually used, you could use real cinnamon. You can make your own simple syrup with sugar and water and boil that down. Ooh, splashing all over the place. Hopefully this melts in there a little bit. All right, let's see what I can do here. There we go. I think we're gonna lose a little bit of the, all right. So, you know, whenever I make drinks, I always have to play around with them sometimes. You know, I'm not perfect. I make mistakes. You had me at vodka. Perfect, Albie. I had you at vodka. My hands are all orange from juicing blood oranges. But so here is the agave and blood orange juice that I mixed already. Get that color. That blood orange wasn't as bright as the other one was. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this blood orange juice that I actually juiced by hand. Look at that color. Ooh, smell that cinnamon. And I'm gonna top it off with a little bit, you can top it off with seltzer or soda. I'm gonna put a drop of lemon lime in there and some seltzer. And I'm going to mix that up. And let's see how this tastes. So almost a Collins, but instead of lemon juice, I am using blood orange juice. Oh, you get that cinnamon. Wow, that's really nice. That's delicious. Thank you everybody for watching me. Hello Julia, hello William, hello Cheryl. Cheers to everybody. Happy Thursday to you. Tonight is our $9.99 special. It is, oh look at that, I just popped up. That's kind of weird. Tonight's our $9.99 Tiki Masala special till Sunday, and $9.99 burgers to go. Our vegan burger is included in that. And let's see, what else can I share? Tomorrow, if you're just joining me, we will come out with our Super Bowl contest. Win a Super Bowl party box, valued at $205. If you were to buy it, we only have a limited amount. We're only doing a limited amount. They are $169. It feeds up to 6 people. Enjoy it while watching the Super Bowl. Pick it up anytime after 1 o'clock on Super Bowl Sunday. There are lots of cool things in there. Pulled pork sandwiches, margarita pizzas, broccoli raw pizzas, let's see, hummus and pita, local cheese, soppressata. I know I'm missing a couple of things, but that will all be posted tomorrow. And look for our Valentine's Day party box. That will be available on Valentine's Day or the night before. Those details will be coming out soon. I started ordering some special sparkling rosé today for that. And let's see, what else? I guess that's it. Busy week, and it is Thursday, so we are open here at Aroma Thyme, and hopefully everybody is well, and I will catch everybody tomorrow for my Friday happy hour. Have a good night, everybody. Oh, by the way, our groceries are still available as well, so I'm packing up like 3, 4, 5 orders today. So talk to everybody soon. Have a wonderful Thursday. Thanks for watching me, and cheers.